First up, tuberculosis, or TB, the dramatic diva. Picture a tiny germ from a bad vacation, India, China. Blame the buffet. It builds a cavity condo in your upper lung, erodes vessels like a bad breakup, and boom, streaky pink cough. Symptoms: night sweats, zombie mode, weight loss, uninvited diet, fever, hot mess express. X-ray, upper lobe hole like Swiss cheese on steroids. Fix, 6-month ripe party, drugs that cure 95%. Pro tip: if you're HIV plus or globe-trotting, mask up. TB's got commitment issues but loves crowds.